Hi, my name is Eric Carlson. I'm the Teen Services Librarian at the White Plains Public Library. The library is looking to build a learning commons for adults. But before we get into that, I'd like to tell you a little bit about what has inspired the Learning Commons. For many years, the library has offered minimal services for teenagers and was a very unwelcoming place. So the library staff has worked with architects, teens, community groups in the schools to create and design a new teen space called The Edge. The goal was to build a place where teens would feel comfortable coming and hanging out and have access to technologies to build their 21st century literacy skills and other technologies that aren't readily available to them at school or at home. We wanted to create a space for learning, but learning through fun. In December 2014, we opened the teen library, The Edge, and it has exceeded all of our goals. Here's a little bit more about some of the programs that we have offered.
Hi, my name is Austin Olney. I'm the digital media specialist here at the library. We do all sorts of different programs with the teens. We show them how to create videos of their very own, create songs of their very own. We're showing them how to code, learning various computer languages, showing them how to use robotics, things like Arduino, and even 3D printing, where the kids are creating graphic objects in the computer and printing them out into physical objects, as well as hardware where we're taking apart computers and showing teenagers the innards of the computer and showing them how they work. So we're showing them all sorts of different things here at the library.
I'm Brian Kenny, the director of the White Plains Public Library. So the challenge that we faced is, how do we create a similar place that meets the needs of adults? We've decided to call our new adult library the Learning Commons. Learning to emphasize that we see learning of all types as the outcome of this space, and commons because it will tap into knowledge from throughout our community. The Learning Commons will include multiple spaces, classrooms, rooms for co-working, space for group learning, as well as tutoring. It will be staffed with librarians and non-librarians representing a range of expertise, but we'll also be tapping into knowledge in our community, people with skills they want to share. Here, customers will find the traditional services they've come to expect in a library, like help finding and using information, as well as one-on-one help with technology and devices. The Learning Commons will be technology-rich with enhanced hardware and software. It will also be home to classes and workshops, like the 200 students that come to the library every semester to learn English, or the many adults enrolled in our Spanish classes, as well as workshops to support jobs and careers like resume writing and Windows 8, not to mention our popular groups like our book discussion groups, as well as our First Friday Knitters. Something that I'm really excited about is that we plan to integrate White Plains Community Media, our cable access TV station, into the Learning Commons. This means that the library will house a TV studio, providing residents with the opportunity to learn more about video production, produce their own content, or just be part of the audience. Libraries need to continue experimenting with the services we offer adults, and the Learning Commons will provide us with a tab to do just that. It will be flexible and changeable, responsive to our communities and their needs. Thanks for listening.